I just want to take a moment to remind everybody, please put tags on your dogs. Something with either their name or your name and a phone number. Some way that if your dog gets loose, people can get a hold of you. This is a very frustrating thing as a police officer and as a dog owner, because many times while I've been out on patrol, I've come across dogs like the ones you're going to see in this video that were very clearly well taken care of, well maintained, had collars on them, were clean, well fed, but they didn't have any tags on them. In cases like that, we are left with absolutely no choice but to take these to animal control, especially if we find these dogs in the middle of the night, maybe early morning. You know, there's a lot of reasons that dogs get loose. People are always critical of dog owners because their dogs get loose. I understand. Police officers understand. Reasonable people understand that dogs are going to get loose. I have two very large dogs. They get loose from time to time as well. You know, stuff is going to happen. Just put some identifying tags on your dogs so that we can get a hold of you in the event that your dogs get loose. Save you the stress and heartache of searching for your dog and then trying to call animal control and then trying to prove that those dogs belong to you, and all the stress and everything that goes into your dog getting thrown into a vehicle and taken to the pound and having to sit at the pound for a day or so until you're able to find them. Just do it, please.
Hey, what the f are you guys doing? Get out of here. Oh no. Go. Get across the road. They got collars on.
I know. Should we see?
Oh, shit.
Hey, puppy dog.
I guess so.
Okay. I'll turn the rears on.
Yeah.
Or I'll get them out of the street.
Okay, you can take them over there or over here.
Hold on. They're opening the door. Come here. Hey. Come here. Hey. Right here. Of course. What's your collar say? What's your collar say? Hey. What's your collar say? Nothing. Of course it says nothing. Of course it says nothing. Hey, hey, hey. 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 Right here, puppy dog.
What are you guys doing? Hey, puppy dog.
What are you guys doing? Run back. Come on.
Come here, guys. Hold on. You obviously want to go home. No, you can't get in the front. No. You get in the back. Get in the back. Come on. Get up in there. Get up in there. Did you see a collar?
Huh?
Did you see a collar?
They have collars, but there's nothing on.
Oh, big dog.
They definitely want it in.
Yeah. You guys been running some, huh? Don't wet yourself out.
Don't want a little hiccup.
Little
snafu.
What's up, big man? I mean, they're taken care of.
Yeah.
You guys just got
I
out.
think they got out of like Holly Hill.
You guys got out of
These
your
aren't
house.
Wedgwood dogs.
You're not Wedgwood dogs. That's why you jumped in They jumped on the car. They're like, oh my god, it's the police.
Hey!
Did you check both of them?
Yeah.
There's nothing printed on them.
Hey, you're tired, huh? You're tired, huh? The puppy dog.
Yes, Papa.
Good little police puppy. One or two.
Alright, apparently, for animal control, they don't have any orders available right now. But the jail and the crews just want to take them up to the shelter, they'll take them there.
Where's the shelter?
Copy. Are you able to change our location to the shelter on, I think it's Tamarack or up there off Morris?
Take a mark and change your location there.
To 18 precinct. Off Morris.
Oh, okay. All right, you guys got your belt? You got your belts on?
It's better than
You got your cameras still on. Yeah, there's something still. Don't touch mine.